Gotta do this Tesla 3. Pretty ugly dent. Just above the camera. Look how tight that area is going to be. This is what it looks like up inside. Look at that wallop. Got some stuff to remove and not destroy those holes that those components go into. That's what's going to be tough, is getting the leverage to push that out and not hurt these components. So we'll see. Ugly. Got into the center, pushed it out. Look how far this thing is sitting out right now. But you don't stretch metal when it's in between two very tight corners like this. So it's a perfect spot to do a dent like this, because it's not going to oil can. It's nice and flat. And now it's ready for a little sanding and polish. Came out good. Yeah, see, there it is right there, and you just can't even see it from up here. So that's how a real world view of this job looks like. Came out great.